was...
Hi, I'm ReyRove. Today we're going to review some news about the June 8 to 13. Let's see what we have on June 10. This news, it's about Squad Labs raises $10 million Series A, unveils a smart wallet for public testing on iOS. This news, it's about Squad Labs. Their funding and product launch highlight a few key trends in the crypto space. So there's some growing institutional interest. First of all, the participation of Electric Capital, Rockaway X, and Coinbase Ventures in the funding round indicates growing institutional interest in solutions that help businesses manage digital assets. Also, this suggests a potential rise in mainstream adoption of crypto by businesses. So about the focus on user experience, we can also say the launch of a smart wallet for individuals on iOS demonstrate Squad Labs' focus on improving user experience in the crypto space. And by offering user-friendly tools for both individuals and institutions, Squad Labs aims to make interacting with cryptocurrencies more accessible. Also, we can talk about the competition in the wallet space too, because the crypto wallet market is becoming increasingly competitive. So Squad Labs will need to differentiate itself from established players like MetaMask and emerging competitors. So focus on specific features, ease of use, and also security will be crucial for Squad Labs to gain traction in this competitive landscape, as we said. Overall, we can say Squad Labs' funding and product launch are positive developments in the crypto space, and they reflect growing institutional interest and the focus on improving user experience. However, the company will face competition in the already crowded crypto wallet market. So this was the news that we had on June 10 about the Squad Labs. So let's see what we have on June 11. So let's see what is it about. So this news, it's about subquery network for decentralized indexers, launches RPCs for Polkadot Kusama. So this news is about the Polkadot. Let's see what is this news about. So this news is about the launch of decentralized RPCs, that is an abbreviation of the remote procedure calls for Polkadot, and Kusama by subquery network is a significant development for the Polkadot ecosystem and the broader blockchain space. So why it is really very significant development? So the first thing that we can mention, it's about the benefits of decentralized RPCs. The first thing, it's about the reduced reliance on centralized servers. Traditional RPCs rely on centralized servers, which can be vulnerable to downtime and censorship. So decentralized RPCs distribute the responsibility across a network of independent nodes, enhancing reliability and also reducing the risk of single points of failure. Another thing that we can say, it's about the improved security. It means decentralization makes it more difficult for malicious actors to manipulate or disrupt the RPC service. And the last thing that we can talk about, it's about increased scalability. So let's see what we're talking about this. Decentralized RPCs can potentially scale more efficiently as the network grows by distributing the workload across multiple nodes. Also, as we see this news, it's about the significance for Polkadot and Kusama. So why? The first thing we can say, it's about the enhanced infrastructure. So this launch provides developers building on Polkadot and Kusama with a more robust and also secure infrastructure for interacting with the network. Another thing is about the increased developer adoption. It means decentralized RPCs could potentially attract more developers to the Polkadot ecosystem by offering a more reliable and also censorship-resistant development environment. And another thing that we can say, it's about aligns with Polkadot's philosophy. It means decentralization is a core principle of Polkadot ecosystem, and this launch aligns with its overall vision. Another thing that they mention in some details, it's about the subquery network's role. So what is the role? The first thing is pioneering decentralized RPCs. Subquery network is at the forefront of developing and deploying decentralized RPC solutions for various blockchain networks. Another thing that we can say, it's a network of independent node operators. It means the involvement of over 30 independent node operators strengthens the network's decentralization and also security. Overall, we can say the launch of decentralized RPCs for Polkadot and Kusama is a positive development that contributes to a more robust, secure, and scalable blockchain infrastructure. And it has the potential also to attract more developers and users to the Polkadot ecosystem. So this is a very good news for the Polkadot ecosystem. Let's see what we have another news on June 11. Another interesting news that we have on June 11 is about the Polygon. Polygon creates new grants program, 1BPOL, unlocked over 10 years. So this news is about the launch of Polygon's community grants program. That is a significant development for the Polygon ecosystem and the blockchain space in general, we can say. So there's some key points and potential implications that we can mention and talk about them. First of all, we can talk about the benefits of this project for developers. The first benefit that we can talk is the funding opportunities. It means Polygon is allocating a significant amount of resources, 1 billion POL tokens over 10 years. So amount of resources to support developers building on their platform. This provides funding opportunities for innovative projects and fosters growth within the Polygon ecosystem. Another benefit is about attracting new talent. It means the program could attract new developers to Polygon by offering financial incentives and a supportive environment for building the apps. The apps, as we know, it's decentralized applications. Another benefit that we can say about this project is strengthening the ecosystem. It means by funding promising projects, Polygon aims to build a strong developer base and a diverse range of the apps within its ecosystem, ultimately expanding its user base and also utility. So there are some things that we can say it's about the significance of Polygon. The first thing is competing with other layer 2s. It means Polygon faces competition from other layer 2 scaling solutions like Arbitrum and Optimus. So this grant program demonstrates their commitment to attracting developers and maintaining their position in the market. Another thing is driving innovations. It means by supporting a variety of projects, Polygon fosters innovation and encourages exploration of new use cases for blockchain technology within its ecosystem. Also, they talk about the transition from Matic to POL. So what is that? The program's initial allocation uses Matic tokens, which will be rebranded as POL in the future. So this highlights the ongoing transition and signals the future role of POL token within the Polygon ecosystem. So overall, we can say Polygon's Community Grants Program is a strategic initiative to attract developers, incentivize innovation, and solidify its position as a leading layer 2 solution. So this program has the potential to significantly accelerate the growth and development of the Polygon ecosystem. So this was a news that was about the Polygon ecosystem that can be really interesting and significant. So let's see what we have another news on June 11. Another news that we have, it's about the Flock.io. Ritual form a partnership to advance decentralized AI composability. So this is about a partnership between Flock.io and Ritual. So this is a significant development in the field of decentralized artificial intelligence, that it means decentralized AI. So we can say why this collaboration is really very important and significant. The first thing that we should just talk about it a little, it is what is decentralized AI. So decentralized AI aims to create a more open, transparent, and collaborative ecosystem for developing and deploying AI models. So it leverages blockchain technology to distribute training data, model training, and inference across the network of participants. So this is it. And also about the Flock.io and Ritual partnership, as we saw in the news, we can say that Flock.io provides a decentralized marketplace for training and deploying AI models, and Ritual offers network of nodes for running AI models on chain securely. So there are some benefits for this partnership, for this project. The first thing is enhanced transparency that we can mention. It means by leveraging Ritual's infinite nodes, Flock.io aims to increase transparency in task routing, model usage, and reward distributions. Users can better understand how their data is used and who is profiting from the models. Another thing, it's improved verifiability. It means the partnership strengthens the verification process for all participants in the ecosystem, ensuring data integrity and preventing manipulation. And the last thing that we can say is fair and open source environment. So it means the collaboration emphasizes a commitment to a fair system where developers and contributors are rewarded based on the usage of their models, fostering a more open source and collaborative approach to AI development. There are some potential impact for this collaboration too. The first thing is increased adoption of decentralized AI. It means this partnership has the potential to accelerate the adoption of decentralized AI by addressing concerns about transparency, fairness, and verifiability also. Another thing is attracting new developers. That is so important. A more open and collaborative environment, as we know, could attract new developers and also researchers to the field of decentralized AI. And the last thing that we can say is development of new use cases. It means improved transparency and trust could lead to the development of new and innovative use cases for decentralized AI. Okay, overall we can say the partnership between Flock.io and Ritual is a positive step towards building a more robust and trustworthy decentralized AI ecosystem. And it has the potential to unlock the full potential of AI by fostering collaboration, transparency, and fair rewards for all participants. So this was a very good news for artificial intelligence and this collaboration between Flight.io and Ritual. Let's see what we have on June 12. So we have a lot of news on June 11 as we see. So we go. So another news that is interesting, it's about the crypto and artificial intelligence that could be a $20 trillion mega trend, Bitwise says. So let's see what is it about. So this news, it's an interesting prediction by Bitwise about combined impact of AI and crypto on the global economy. So we can say about some consideration that we can say and talk about. The first thing is about the potential of AI and crypto. The report highlights the potential for AI and crypto to significantly contribute to economic growth by 2030. So this could be achieved through various means, such as AI-powered financial services. It means AI could automate tasks, improve risk management, and personalize financial products within the crypto space. And also, about enhanced blockchain scalability, we can talk about this too. AI might help develop solutions for scalability challenges faced by blockchain networks. And another thing that we can say is about the emergence of new industries too. So, what we mean about this thing? It means intersection of AI and crypto could lead to the creation of entirely new industries and applications. So as regular, we have some challenges and considerations too. First of all, it's about a bold prediction. So $20 trillion is a significant number, and it's important to acknowledge the inherent uncertainty in such long-term predictions. Another is about the regulatory landscape. It means the evolving regulatory landscape for both AI and crypto could impact the growth and integration. And the last thing is technical advancement. It means reaching this potential would depend on significant technical advancement in both AI and also blockchain technologies. So overall, we can say Bitwise report highlights the potential for powerful synergy between AI and crypto. So while the $20 trillion figure might be ambitious, it underscores the exciting possibilities these technologies hold for the future of the global economy. So this was very important because it was about the global economy. So let's see what we have. Another news on June 12. So another news, it's about the MetaMask. So this news is talking about the MetaMask adds pooled staking for cheaper Ethereum validation. So this is a significant development for Ethereum network and crypto staking in general, we can say. So this thing that have some benefits for users. The first benefit that we can say, it's a lower barrier to entry. It means traditionally staking on Ethereum required locking up 32 Ethereum, a substantial amount for many users. MetaMask pool staking allows participation with any amount of Ethereum. making staking more accessible to a wider audience. And another benefit is increased earning potential. It means by staking their Ethereum, users can earn rewards for contributing to the security of the Ethereum network. And another, it's about simplified process. It means pooled staking eliminates the need to run a validator node, which can be complex for some users. MetaMask handles the technical aspects, making staking more user-friendly for the users. Also, this has a competition in staking services too. It means MetaMask entry adds to existing pooled staking providers like Lido and Rocket Pool. So this competition could benefit users by potentially driving down fees and improving service offerings. There's some potential impact on Ethereum network about this thing that they're working on it and doing too. The first thing is increase the staking participation. It means by lowering the barriers to entry, MetaMask pooled staking could attract more users to participate in securing the Ethereum network. And this could strengthen the network's overall security and decentralization. Another thing is growth of a staking market. So as we see, the wider adoption of staking services could lead to further growth of the staking market within the crypto ecosystem. Overall, we can say MetaMask launch of pooled staking is a positive development for the Ethereum network and crypto staking as a whole. So it increases accessibility, simplifies participation, and also promotes a more secure and decentralized network. So this was the news that we had on June 12th. We have another news on June 12th too. So let's see, what is it? So on June 12th. So we have another exciting news on June 12th too. That is about Ether for sourcing GPUs launches decentralized cloud on Ethereum. So this is an exciting news for the cloud computing and blockchain space, both of these. So the first thing is the Ether's launch on the Ethereum mainnet marks a significant development for several reasons. The first thing is decentralized GPU sharing. So Ether's aims to create a decentralized marketplace for underutilized GPUs, allowing users to contribute their processing power for a task like AI training and also gaming too. So this could potentially improve resource utilization and efficiency compared to traditional cloud computing models. Another thing is about the focus on high demand tasks. It means targeting tasks like AI model training and gaming caters to the growing demand for high performance computing resources. And the last thing that we can say, it's about staking incentives. So Ether offers staking pools with rewards in both their native token and tokens from the gaming and AI partners. So this incentivizes participation and also helps bootstrap the network. There are some benefits about these things too, the potential benefits and also consideration that we can talk about them too. So the benefits, first thing, it's about the cost effectiveness. It means by leveraging a decentralized network, Ether could potentially offer access to computing resources at lower cost compared to traditional cloud services providers. Another thing, it's about increased scalability. It means the decentralized nature of the network allows for potential scalability to meet growing demand for processing power. And the last thing that we can say is about the earning potential. It means users who contribute their GPUs can earn rewards through staking, creating a new income stream. So it is very interesting and exciting. And there are some considerations that we can mention. The first thing is about the network security. It means as a new project, Ether needs to establish a strong track record of network security to gain user trust. So this is really very important, and we can consider this very much. Another thing, it's about the competition. Ether faces competition from established cloud providers and other decentralized cloud computing projects. So there's some challenges that they have. And the last thing that we can mention is about the technical challenges. It means implementing a reliable and also efficient decentralized GPU sharing network requires overcoming technical challenges too. So overall, we can say Ether's launch is a promising development with the potential to disrupt the cloud computing landscape. It is focused on under-utilized resources, high-demand tasks, and user incentives positions it well for growth. However, the project's success will depend on addressing security concerns, navigating competition, and overcoming technical hurdles. So this was news about the Ether. So let's see what we have on June 30. So there are lots of news about. So the interesting news that we had on June 30 is about the LivePeer AI. LivePeer.ai starts 3 months grants program for generative video innovation. So let's see what is it about. So this is a very interesting news for the field of generative AI and video technology. So LivePeer AI's grant program for generative video innovation has the potential to accelerate advancements in this exciting space. So there are some potential implications that we can mention about this project, that the work they are doing. The first thing is focus on generative video. It means the grant program specifically targets generative AI projects, a subfield of AI concerned with creating entirely new content like images, videos, or music. So this targeted focus could lead to significant progress in the development of generative video technologies. Another thing is support for early stage projects. It means by offering grants and infrastructure support, LivePeer AI aims to empower early stage projects and foster innovation within the generative video space. And the last thing that we can say, it's about the focus on scalability too. It means the additional $20,000 infrastructure budget specifically addresses the challenges of scaling AI projects, which often require significant computing resources. So this can be a major hurdle for early stage ventures. There are some potential benefits too for this project. The first thing is about the technological advancements. It means the grant program could lead to the breakthroughs in generative video technology with applications in various fields like entertainment, education, and also marketing. Another thing is about the emergence of new use cases. It means advancement in generative video could enable entirely new applications and new experiences, and also about user experience across the various industries. The last thing that we can say is the growth of the generative AI ecosystem. It means by supporting early stage projects, LiveWire AI contributes to the growth of generative AI ecosystem, attracting talent and fostering collaboration. As usual, there are some considerations that we can consider for this project too. The first thing is about the project selection. It means the success of program hinges on the quality and also potential of chosen projects. LiveWire AI will need to implement a rigorous selection process to identify the most promising ventures. And also we can talk about the long-term impact too. It means the long-term impact of program will depend on the success of funded project and their contribution to the advancement of generative video technology. Overall, we can say about this news, LiveWire's AI grant program is a positive development for the field of generative AI and video technology. So by supporting early stage projects and addressing scalability challenges, it has the potential to accelerate innovation and lead to exciting new advancements in this rapidly evolving field. Thanks for watching. If you want to support me, you can buy my support token on object.com, and also you can like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any opinion, please comment it for me. Bye guys, see you later.